In the video, we are going to discuss the number of MBBS colleges that are there and the number of seats and what is the fee structure. Because students, competition தெரிஞ்சாதா fight பண்ண முடியும். Competition தெரியாம fight பண்ணிட்டு use கிடையாது. You should know that for one seat, how many people are fighting. That is very important. If you do not know that competition, then you're fighting with a blank screen. So, அதுக்கு தான் இந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப முக்கியமான வீடியோ. I want all of you to watch it till the end. See the number of colleges and data vandithu students, there can be slight changes in the number, aanalum approximate illandre maximum content that we could take it from online from other people also we have taken it. Okay, so maybe 1 or 2 seats difference irundha kuda majority is the same. Okay, so start pannala. So here Tamil Nadu Government Colleges 2025-26. That is people you are going to compete next year. No. So Tamil Nadu is one of the India's top states for medical education. So compared to all the states, Tamil Nadu has a very good prominent set of students who are writing NEET every single year and also getting into government medical colleges. Okay. If you see here, there are 36 plus government medical colleges. Around 39 medical colleges are there. AIIMS also is included and also other allied courses. So allopathy, for all that also there are colleges. So we are calculating 36 plus government colleges. More than 5,000 MBBS seats are there. So 5,000 seats are there, but you should know how many are registering every year. Alva. So here quota 15% is all India quota, 85% is state quota. Okay. Affordable fees compared to private colleges. Now, why do all of us tell that government college only you have to get into? Because the fees is very, very affordable. Okay, everyone in your family will be able to look at the fees and at least have hopes that they can pay the fees. But if you see private medical colleges, it comes up to 12 to 15 lakhs and more than that. So here students, this is the exact competition that you're fighting for. Okay. Total government MBBS seat around 5,250 approximate range. Okay. In that, All India quota 788 seats will be gone by All India quota. Okay, All India quota 788 seats will be gone. Approximate we have around 4,400 seats. Okay, around 4,462 seats are left for state quota. Now, last year, NEET 2025, we had around 1,40,000 students who have registered. We have only 4,400 government medical college seat. How many has registered? 1,40,000. In that, around leaving 5,000, 1,35,000 students have appeared for it. Okay, and they have, how many have qualified? Direct half of 1,35,000 students have qualified. Around 76,000 students have qualified. Got it? Now look here. So the competition students, around 1,35 lakhs of aspirants are competing for just 5,250 seats. That means one seat, 26 or 28 students are competing. So if you have to be better than 28 other students, you should know what are the things that you have to do differently. All of you are telling me, ma'am, please start taking classes. Students, if I start taking classes now, will you sit with me throughout the class? Will you study biology with me throughout the class? Before that, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to fix the timetable for you. I'm trying to fix your life. That is the schedule, the planning part, see, because once plan is set, it is very smooth to go. But if the plan is not set, then every day same story will repeat. So you're fighting with you. There are 28 others who are fighting for the same seat in your state. So Tamil Nadu seat kedakkanumna are 28 students taandi ponum. If you do not move against this 28 students, then you're not going to fight the competition. Understood? Now let's discuss which are the colleges, okay, which are the colleges that we have. So if you see generally, the annual fees of your government college is somewhere around 18,000. Okay, 18,073. SC and ST has to pay around 12,073. And ESI Chennai has around 1 lakh. ESI Chennai is salpa, different college. Okay, so we keep ESI Chennai separately. Private college, 12 to 15 lakhs around per year. Per year, 12 to 15 lakhs you have to pay. 5.5 years you have to complete. Okay, at least say 4.5 years plus imam internship. But still you have to complete 4.5 years. Okay, so 12 to 15 lakhs is the range. Now talking about the colleges, you have Madras Medical College, Stanley Medical College, Kilpauk, Madurai and Coimbatore Medical College who are taking a seat intake of 250 seats. Okay, 250 students they are taking in. Out of that, 38 seats are going for All India quota. Rest 212 seats, it's for the state quota. Okay, state quota. If you see the average fee, students, somewhere around similar, 18,000 to 12,000, ST and ST. Okay, ST and ST. Next, if you see Tanjavur, Tiruvallveni, Government Mohan Medical College, KAP Vishwanathan Government College and Thoothukudi Medical College, they are also taking around 250 seats. Okay, 250 seats. In that also 38 is going for All India quota. Around 212 is going for your state quota. If you see the fees range, almost similar fees range. Around 18 to 12,000 fees range is there. Okay, in this only your Thoothukudi Medical College is taking only 150 seat intake. Other 4 colleges are taking 250 seat intake. Out of the 150, 22 is going for All India quota. 128 is under state quota. Clear? Okay, now I'm just showing you all the colleges. Okay, just to go, just so that you have an idea which are the colleges that I'm looking for, where is it located and all of that. Okay, most of you, all of you might have already known. Okay, now Kanyakumari Government Medical College, Theni Government College, Vellore and Villupuram Government Medical College and Tiruvarur, these all are taking around 150 intakes. Okay, seat kammiya irukku, 150 intake is happening. In that, around 22 seats are going for All India quota. And state quota, we have remaining 128 seats. Okay, 128 seats. Fees, again, students, we have just kept an approximation that around 18,000 to 12,000 will be the fee structure. Here and there, few changes will be there because these are the data that is given online. So, there can be certain numbers that are different. Okay, every single year, slight updation happens, but people do not update it online. So, there can be small changes. Okay, other than that, there will not be any major changes. Clear? Now, Dharmaburi Government Medical College, Pudukkottai Government Medical College, Nagapatnam Government Medical College, Ariyalur Government Medical College, Dingle Government Medical College, Krishnagiri, all these colleges are taking around 150 seat intakes. Okay, 150 seat intake. In that, 22 is going for All India quota, 128 is going to be state quota. Again, the fee structure remains the same. Now, here you can see ESI Medical College, Chennai. They also have their own hospitals and they're a big branch. Okay, they're like a big brand as a thing. ESI Medical College, and then we have AIIMS Madurai. So, ESI Medical College, around 100 seat intake is there. 15 is going for All India quota. 85 is going for state quota. Here you see fees is little different. Okay, 24,000 fees is little on the higher end. And if you see AIIMS Madurai, the least fees 1,600. That is the fees for every AIIMS for that matter. Okay, 1,500 to 1,600. Entire your MBBS education can be done in under 1 lakh. Okay, including the hostel, everything they will provide you. So this is AIIMS. Okay, AIIMS Madurai. So this is the different colleges that are there in Tamil Nadu. Now, what is the biggest difference between government medical college and private medical college? Government medical college, affordable fees, around 18,000 per year. On the same side, you have private medical college which are around 12 to 15 lakhs. 12 to 15 lakhs per year. Okay. Then students, you have over 5,000 MBBS seats. Here you have limited affordable seats. Yes, people might take you even for a very low, cutoff. They might take you for a very low cutoff. But what are the struggles that you have to go through? Government medical college means you have exposure in government hospitals. And your pay also will be according to that. Okay. Then here students, spread across all regions. Okay. If you go for government medical college, it will be present in all the locations. Private medical college, it will be higher competition for fewer seats, and people from outside also will try and come and take that seat. So you cannot claim that, okay, it's my seat, you have to give it to me. So I want all of you to understand that you're competing with 28 others for one seat in a government medical college. And every single year, 75,000 students are qualifying from Tamil Nadu. That means the qualifying rate is half to the registered. Okay. Now, let's say we are providing good education, we are giving such kind of content. Now, more students will start qualifying. So, I want all of you to benefit from all these. Okay, there are many channels out there. I want all of you to benefit that, okay, someone is doing something for us. We have to take everything from it. Okay, that's why go watch all the videos on the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel, watch the lectures, watch the videos, try and understand the competition outside. Every day I will come here and remind you what is the competition that you're facing. If you do not know the competition, you are going to be having like a horse view. Blind approach that, okay, today something I'll study, tomorrow something I'll study, but you should know 26 others are competing with you. Okay, for 4,500 seats, we have 76,000 students fighting. Let's say I'm not even calculating all the students who are registering. I'm only calculating the qualifying students, 75,000. In that 75,000 also, let's say 130 to 40,000 has crossed 500, 600. They will be fighting with you. Okay, so I want all of you to understand the competition and start working from today onwards, because this video is made at this point of time for you to understand that, okay, this many seats are there. My competition is with this many people, and what is the benefit of getting into government medical college? My parents doesn't have to strain. I do not have to pay a lot of fees, and the moment I come out, I will have good exposure. The moment I get my MBBS degree in my hand, I will already be working in any of the government hospitals. That is the kind of exposure that you have to live with. So work hard, move towards your goal, and any doubts, please let me know in the comments. I'm trying in making, taking all the comments and making the videos, but sometimes students delay will happen because even I have to research, I have to do my, the background work. Then only I come right in front of you. I do not make a video just because I want to make a video. No, I think what should be done, what should come in front of you, and then only I'll make a video. So channel, subscribe, okay, subscribe to the channel, share this video with all your friends, and as I told you, let's become 5,000 very soon. Let's see the power and strength of Tamil Nadu students. Come on, you people can do this, and only you can do this. So quickly subscribe to the channel, share this video with all your friends, work hard towards your goal, understand the competition, and get into a government medical college and come out as a doctor, because that is a passion. Okay, that is a love I want all of you to show for that. Not for the money, not for anything else. It should be humanity, passion. These are the two things that you should be a doctor for. So that's it for today's video, students. Thank you so much for joining. If you're seeing me for the first time, then quickly let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and put a lot of hearts, and do let me know in the comments which is your dream government college in in Tamil Nadu. And yes, that's it. Thank you so much. See you all.